In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to download and use Zoho's ULAA browser in Google Chrome for 2025-26. And I'm going to also speak to you about the basic differences between ULAA and Google Chrome, which one is better and stuffs like that. We are also used to Google Chrome, that we are not wanting to switch to any other browser for whatever may be the reason. But at the end of the day, we always have to look for new alternatives that provide us with better features or even more features as compared to Google Chrome and move forward. So if you are a person who is interested in using the ULAA browser, I'm telling you that it is a good option. So you could just get hold of your PC and just type in ULAA or get to ulaa.com to download the browser. It's very easy. Once you are here, just click on download for Windows. The ULAA browser is obviously built on the same Chromium base as Google Chrome, so it's not much of a difference. Once you're here, you get a pop-up like this. Just click on accept and download, and the exe file is going to be downloaded to your PC. So you could see that it's going to take like 4 to 5 minutes, but it is the same way you install Google Chrome on your PC. Open the file, you are going to get an option to install, and just follow instructions. It is going to get installed similar to Google Chrome. There's no difference in the installation procedure. Alright, it's super simple. Now, ULAA versus Google Chrome. ULAA is basically a privacy-centered browser. It is not going to, collect your data and sell it to others to improve your personal experience or while you're browsing on their browser and stuff like that. ULAA's main focus is to ensure that whatever you are doing on the browser, basically, it's private. They have inbuilt ad blockers and even trackers that are keeping an eye on websites that are trying to track you and stuff. It is automatically going to block all of that so that you are absolutely safe. They also offer isolated browsing modes to ensure that your personal and work data, it's separate. You don't get confused. And so there are a lot of fantastic features with ULAA. And if you compare ULAA to Google Chrome actually collects data from you, like when you're browsing and stuff like that, to ensure that you get targeted ads and all those things. The main thing is Google Chrome prioritizes user experience. Okay, so they target you according to their vast ecosystem. Okay, they send you targeted ads and all these things, whereas the ULAA browser is actually more into privacy. They prioritize that for you. I'm not saying Google Chrome is bad or ULAA is better, Google Chrome is better, ULAA is bad. No, I'm not saying that. It is just your choice. What do you want? If you're okay with getting targeted ads, and if you're liking all the suggestions Google Chrome is giving you, fantastic, you could continue using Google Chrome, no problem. But if you are a privacy centered person, if you could go for ULAA. And ULAA also has its own applications on Google Play and the App Store, so if you're interested, you could also download the apps and use it accordingly. So that's it for today. I hope you got some value, and I hope you enjoyed my video. If you have any questions, any recommendations for me, please feel free to send me an email, or you could also post a comment in the comment section below. Take care, my friend.